The other day I bought this sewing machine cabinet at a local thrift store for $10. That's the top. That's the piece that I'm guessing it's just to cover and give some support once you put the sewing machine inside and close everything up. Now this is a H.L. Hubble sewing machine cabinet. And obviously there's no sewing machine in there. You can't see it. It's really dark in there. There's the light. And this piece here will push down. Well, it's supposed to push down. Once it goes all the way up, then it pushes down. That's where the sewing machine would go. And today, I was bringing my Wilcox & Gibbs sewing machine back out after oiling and sewing with it a little bit. That's this guy right here. And it fits in there perfectly. I think I'm going to use this cabinet and just modify the base right here where the sewing machine is at to house this Wilcox & Gibbs sewing machine. It sets in there very nicely. And this is the front view. So I think this is what I'm going to do with it. There it is with the cover over top and then the complete top. And there it is, my $10 sewing machine cabinet.